Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create modern frame poster design in Adobe Photoshop. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Open Layer panel, and create a gradient adjustment layer. Follow my gradient settings. Go to the rectangle tool, and create a shape. Apply white fill color to it. Again, create a rectangle shape in center of big shape. Select both layers, right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Right-click and rasterize layer. Select center area and delete it. Go to the File menu, Place Embedded, select your image and place. Go to the Object Selection tool, and make a rough selection of subject. Do some manual selection if it needs. Go to the Select menu, Modify, and then Contract. Set it 1, and hit OK. Then add a layer mask to it. Press Ctrl+J for duplicate copy. And drag it below the shape. Select top layer, and convert to Smart Object. Add layer mask to it, go to Brush tool, and erase this area. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. And change its font to the Go Bold Regular. Hold the Alt key, and create a copy of it. Double-click and type other text. Select bottom image layer, and make a copy of it. Delete its layer mask. Select Lasso tool, and make a selection of shadow. Press Ctrl+J, and delete the bottom layer. Change its blend mode to multiply. Press Ctrl+L to open levels. Adjust its settings. And add layer mask. Select brush tool, and erase the extra area. Follow my other text settings. I have these icons, and place them at the bottom like this. Also, I have write this text already, place this here. Place the leaf here, and decrease its opacity to 15%. Select top layer. Then place the paper wrap texture. Then change its blend mode to multiply, and decrease its opacity to 35%. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.